Welcome back to KTCAM design tutorial. Today we are going to create a simple exercise on SolidWork, and here we learn some basic command. Today draw this type of easy drawing. New part. Okay. First of all, change centimeter to millimeter. Now go through this way in millimeter. Now go to top plane, sketch, and draw center line. Center line. Now dream entity. Now simply click OK and draw slot type object, 2D slot type object. Dimension, this will be 25. mm, and this will be 56 mm, and this will be 18 mm radius. This will be 28. Exit sketch, go to evaluate feature, extrude to 8 mm, height will be 8 mm. Now OK. Now simply select this surface and sketch normal and draw one circle on this surface. Okay, now draw one center line. Now change dimension, 16 mm diameter. Now mirror it, this entity, and about this center line. Now simply click OK. Now see, now extrude cut, go to feature and extrude cut, blind, 8 mm. Now simply click OK. See preview. Go to right plane, sketch and normal this plane. Now draw 2-point rectangle. Now go to select 2-point rectangle, select this point. Now give a dimension 10 mm and 32 mm. 32 mm. Now go to feature, extrude. Now this will be one side. Now go to mid plane, extrude. Now see, and dimension will be 40 mm. Now see, both side extrude. Simply click OK. Now see preview. Now draw one rib on this surface. Now simply click right plane, sketch normal and draw one triangle on this right plane. Simply click this and exit. Now see preview. Now extrude same mid plane 12 mm, 12 mm. Now see, now simply click OK. Now see, select this face, sketch normal this sketch. Now draw one center line To draw a rounded part, now draw a circle. Diameter will be 30 mm. Dimension will be 32 mm. Now draw line to this point and tangent relation will be tangent. Simply relation will be tangent. Select this extra reference will be delete. Now this will be already tangent. Now this reference will be delete. Now go to tangent. Now trim tangent. Now zoom it and click a line and draw this point to this circle. Now this line will be complete. Now trim extra circle your circular part. Now simply click OK. Exit sketch and extrude. Extrude. See reverse side 10 mm. Okay. But this line is in their sketch. Now edit sketch and go through this line, and this line will be vertical. Now exit sketch. Now see. Now sketch this face normal. Now give one circle on this. Go to center. Okay. Exit sketch. Extrude 10 mm. Now simply click OK. Now sketch this upper circular face. Now sketch normal and circle to center. This will be 20 mm. Diameter will be 20 mm. Simply click exit sketch and feature and extrude cut. This will be 20 mm. Now simply click OK. Now this will be our part will be ready.